Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutorium in Intensive English at the University of Illinois at Chicago. I'm Jordan and I'm your grammar teacher. Today's lesson is on the past perfect. Today we will just be focusing on the structure, and in our next lesson we'll talk about when to use the past perfect. So let's look at our plan for today. Okay, so today we will look at example sentences with the past perfect, learn the grammar rules for the past perfect, and we will practice just a little bit like we always do. So let's start with some of our example sentences. So think, I hadn't thought of that before. B, Katie and Trisha had been in England at that time. Read, Dave told me that he had read that book. So again, thinking about the structure of the past perfect. Let's look at those words in bold. What do we see? We see hadn't, had, had. So we see a simple past, have. Okay, thought, been, and read. What's that? Well, if you remember one of our previous lessons on present perfect, that is the past participle or the third form. Some of you guys have heard that term before. So we see have simple past plus past participle. So the rule for creating the past perfect is just that. We have our subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, plus had. Had is the same for all of those subjects. And then the past participle or third form. In this case, I use the verb eat, eaten. So I had eaten. That's our past perfect. If I want to use the past perfect with the negative, not, we can add not to the sentence. So I had not eaten. This is shortened to hadn't, hadn't. If you hear at the end of that word, it's almost like I am eating the not. Hadn't. It's very nasal coming from the nose. Hadn't, hadn't. You'll hear English speakers shorten things a lot. Of course, if you say had not, that's perfectly fine too. Let's practice with some of the irregular past participle verbs that we learned last time. Say in past perfect becomes had said. Again, notice the pronunciation on said, said, not said, it's said, had said. Go, had gone. Come, had come. Know, had known. Get. If you remember that T, we eat the T. Get, 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 not get, get, get. Had, got, or had gotten, 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 had gotten. Kind of fun. I have fun doing it. Anyway, those are just some, it's just a little bit of practice with those irregular past participles. So before our next lesson, please review the structure of the past perfect. Know it, be comfortable with it 100%. In addition, review those irregular past participle verbs. You can find more of that in the present perfect irregular verbs video. In our next video, like I said, we will learn why we're using the past perfect. Why am I spending time teaching you all this verb tense? So thanks for hanging out today. I hope that this was a little bit useful. Good luck, work hard, and I will see you in the next one.